Now we will find some standard integration results for solving bigger problems.
Now here we are going to look some important problems which are very important while solving some questions. Now here I have taken integration of under root of a square minus x square into dx. Now if you observe, you will observe that there is only one function, that is under root of a square minus x square. So how can we solve this problem? We do not have any formula for such a type of integration. We have formula for that type of integration which include 1 upon under root of x square minus x square, 1 upon under root of x square plus x square. But here under root of x square minus x square is in denominator. But in this question, under root of a square minus x square is in numerator. And how can we integrate such a type of integrals? So look at here. Integration of under root of a square minus x square into dx. Now friends, we can take one in multiplication in such a type of cases. Recently I have told you that whenever there is a questions for integration of integration of sine inverse x, integration of cos inverse x, when there is only one problem, only one function, in such a type of questions while solving integration, we have to take second function as 1. Okay, so now here is a term of root, so second term which I have taken is 1. Now here is a multiplication of two functions. First one is under root of a square minus x square and the second function is 1. And now we can apply integration by parts here. For that, friends, always take 1 as a second function. So our first function will be under root of a square minus x square. And now after applying integration by parts, we get first function into integration of second function minus integration of derivative of first function into integration of second function into dx. Now friends, how to solve these terms? This term remains as it is. Integration of 1 dx is x minus this integration remains as it is into derivative of this term looks like derivative of root of f of x. And the formula for derivative of root of f of x is 1 upon 2 times root of f of x into derivative of root of f of x. So that derivative of root of f of x is 1 upon 2 times under root of a square minus x square into derivative of a square minus x square. That is derivative of a square. A is constant, so that a square will be constant. So that derivative of a square is 0 minus remains as it is derivative of x square. By applying derivative of x raised to n's formula, we get n into x raised to n minus 1. So that 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1. It is not necessary to write 1 in the index. So in last term, integration of 1 dx is again x, and this dx remains as it is. Now friends, I write this x first, x into under root of a square minus s square minus here friends. 2 and this numerators to get cancelled. So remaining terms are minus remains as it is. X into x is x square in denominator under root of x square minus x square into this dx. This term remains as it is minus. If you observe this term, in this term I observe that the term in denominator is a square minus x square while the term in numerator is minus x square. In such a type of problem, always try to adjust this denominator in numerator, and the term in denominator is a square minus x square while in numerator it is minus x square. So I have to write only plus a square in numerator, this a square. Now this term becomes a square minus x square, but this a square is in addition, so we have to adjust this. We have to make equilibrium. So I also subtract this a square from this term minus a square. Okay, now friends, we will divide this term from this term, a square minus x square, and the second term will be minus x square. Also, we separate integration at the same time. So that this term will be, this term remains as it is, minus into this first term, minus integration of, friends, while separating this term, the first term will be a square minus x square upon this denominator. But both the terms are same, a square minus x square minus x square. But this denominator term is in square root. and this numerator term does not have any square root, so we can write this a square minus x square as under root of a square minus x square whole bracket square. And after separating this term, the denominator's root term will get cancelled with this root terms one term, so that the remaining term will be under root of a square minus x square. And as we have separated integration, so that dx is here. Now in second term, minus into minus, it will be plus into a square, constant remains as it is, into integration of, now here is 1 upon under root of a square minus x square into that dx. Now this term remains as it is, minus, if we observe this equation 1, we get integration of under root of a square minus x square into dx is I. So I replace this term by I plus a square into, here is a formula for this integration, that is integration of 1 upon under root of a square minus x square into dx is sine inverse of x upon a plus c. Now friends, here as our total integration is not completed, so I take that integration constant as c1. Now this minus I, if I take it to left hand side, it will be plus I plus I will be 2I. It is equal to this term remains as it is plus this term as it is. Okay. Now we have to find answer for I. Therefore I is equal to anything. What we have to do? We have to do both side. We have to divide both side by 2. So that I is equal to. But what is I? I is integration of under root of a square minus x square dx. It is equal to, after dividing by 2, it will be x upon 2 into this term. After dividing by 2, it will be h square by 2 into sine inverse of this term. And after dividing to this c1, it will be c1 by 2, which I have taken as a capital C. Here is the solution. Here another problem is integration of x square minus a square into dx. It is same as of last problem. Now friends, if you see, here is only one term, integration of under root of x square minus a square into dx. There is the only one term of root here, and we can't find its integration directly. So what we have to do? We have to just take 1 in multiplication, so that this term will be integration of under root of x square minus x square minus a square into 1 into dx. Now I have seen two functions here. First one is under root of x square minus a square, and the second one is 1. And here is the product of these two functions, and we have to integrate this. So we have rule for that, that is by using integration by parts. And after applying integration by parts, what will happen? First function into integration of second function minus integration of derivative of first function into integration of second function into this dx. After solving this term remains as it is. Integration 1 dx is x minus integration of derivative of this root. Derivative of root of f of x is 1 upon 2 root of f of x into derivative of f of x. So that it will be 1 upon 2 root of f of x is x square minus a square into derivative of f of x, that is derivative of x square. X square's derivative is 2x minus a is constant, so that derivative of x square will be 0. 2x minus 0 is 2x into integration 1 dx is x. This dx remains as it is. Now friends, it will be x into under root of x square minus a square minus here 2 get cancelled, so that remaining terms are integration of x into x is x square, and in denominator under root of x square minus a square into dx. Now here this term remains as it is minus integration of, here in denominator the term is under root of x square minus a square, and while solving such a types of equation, such a type of integration, we have to try to adjust this denominator in numerator, and for that the only less term is that it is x square minus a square. Here x square is present, so what we have to take? We have to take minus a square here. After taking minus x square, it will be x square minus a square, but we have to balance this minus a square, so that I put plus a square also here. Now friends, this term remains as it is minus, we are going to subtract, we are going to separate this term, then it will be x square minus a square upon this denominator plus this a square upon this denominator, and after solving that it will be minus into integration of, and how to solve this term? It is x square minus a square, means it is under root of x square minus a square whole bracket square, and after putting this denominator to this term, first one term will get cancelled, so remaining term will be under root of x square minus a square into dx. Minus into plus, it will be minus a square into integration of this denominator we have to write here, integration of 1 upon under root of x square minus x square into dx. Now this term remains as it is, minus this term is our given problem and it is denoted by letter I. So here I put I minus a square into. If you observe this term, it is integration of 1 upon under root of x square minus a square into dx, and we have formula for that, and the formula is log of mod of x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c. Here integration constant is c1. Now if I take this term to left hand side, it will be minus I will go to left hand side, and it will be plus I plus I, it will be 2I, and the remaining terms are here plus c1. Now friends, we have to find I, therefore I is equals to, dividing both sides by 2, I is equals to, what is that? I is integration of under root of x square minus a square into dx. It is equals to, after dividing by 2, it will be x by 2 into this term, a square by 2 into this term, plus it will be c1 by 2, which is replaced by letter c. Here is the solution for this problem.